So we will talk about Error 4 CPU1 Fault A. Okay. So this is the error of the VFD. Okay. So normally it's a control unit like control processors. So into the first processor, this is the error. Okay. So it is because of internal like device which is there like CPU. So normally in that case, there are no chance for the repair. What you can do, you can recycle your power, okay, to restart your VFD. If still it is the same, so in that case, you need to repair your VFD, or you need to purchase new VFD or repair. Maybe major chances are to purchase because of normally if CPU is faulty, so in that case, like control card is damaged, so it may be replace the control card only, but major chances are like you need to replace your VFD. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with the screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.